Damn old man. Alright guys, we got some new happenings over here at the farm. We are, holy moly, about busting my butt. We're in the process of tearing this old garage down. Long overdue. Debbie's up there working on the roofing. Got my buddy Johnny over here tearing out the plywood right now. Gonna pull insulation.
Look at that.
What you looking at? Yeah, it's ready to come down. That's good. Sheetrock's coming down. I'm doing electrical. I'm doing what I can handle. That's electrical. I'm not doing the heavy lifting. That's for Johnny. All right, let's get into it. Doggies. Johnny, can you come get this drywall? Yeah. No, Johnny. Let's throw that in first. I'm all itchy. Alright, can you come get this sheet right? I can't get that. Take a look at this. That's a little overdue for being changed out, wouldn't you think? It's getting changed out now. Johnny, when you load this up, you gotta make sure it goes all the way down flat, otherwise it's gonna take up too much room, okay? So you're going the other side. Or else you grab this side and pull it up to you. There you go. What is here? we're getting somewhere. We knocked this section off out here. We got this knocked off here. Got that to where I can walk through easily. And this is tore off to right here because I'm going to tear off this much to right here, and I may salvage this room over here. So I may tear all this off to here where the 4x's at and save this wall right here. That way I can save this room back here and over here, possibly save that for more storage. We'll see. But all this is getting tore down all the way to that wall for now. Then I'll save the back part for storage. We're getting the other storage ready over here already, in behind the RV. We got a big storage over there going on right now too. We'll catch up with that in a little bit. I'll be back. I'll be back, guys. Don't go nowhere. Alright, first I'm going to work on getting everything off the walls. License plates. That's my dad's from 1969. This was off of my mom's last motorcycle, 1977. And she passed away in 82. These are just some different plates I've had up here in Nevada. So I'll get these walls cleared off. Then I'm going to take out these two panels at least for now. Alrighty. Alright, one more piece of plywood, John. Then we'll knock the sheetrock off and we'll be good for today. We're getting there. Ouch. Damn old man. See why that's got to go. Put this new door in, so we want to be able to go right in here, at least while we're working, instead of having to walk all the way around. See if I can knock that through. Can I pull that insulation down, buddy? There you have it. Try and save some of that wire. Alright guys, I got the wet heads. I gotta get in the shower and get cleaned up. Take a look at here. I'll get back on that one of these days, but for now, I'm gonna wrap it up. We'll catch you guys later. Thanks for coming along. Hit that like button.